Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Elegant Corner. In this video, we'll see a small glimpse of mock interview by taking a person as an example. We'll see what are the things incorporated in a mock interview, what are the things we need to do, what are the things we should not do in an interview. Now we'll start our session. Before starting the session, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe our channel Elegant Corner. Now we'll start the session. Come, take your seat. Give your resume. Okay, what is your name?
Sino.
Okay. Where are you from?
Kakinada JNDK area.
Okay. What is your educational qualification?
SSC from government high school, degree from CNI Degree College, Kadiyam. Intermediate from government junior college.
Okay. What are the technical skills you know?
I know full-fledged of computers.
You know full-fledged of computers,
Yes.
right? Okay. Why you need this job?
Because of my financial problems, I need the immediate job, sir. Financial issues in
Okay.
my families.
Still, you would like to tell anything?
No.
Okay. You are a fresher.
Yes, sir. I am not any experience to my jobs.
Okay, see, we'll stop this session here and we'll see what are the things we have observed from this small glimpse of mock interview. See, basically this mock interview is for the freshers. We have done a small shoot for the fresher students or the people who are attending an interview. If you observe in this mock interview, we have seen few things like from the starting point to the ending point. The first foremost thing is the candidate who was attending the interview was facing is like a small tension in his behavior. We can note a small tension in his behavior. Okay, as a fresher, for each and everyone will have this tension or the panic thing in them, but we need to overcome it. And while we are asking his name, he was only specified like only short name like Srinu, Ramu, Ashok. We should not specify like that. We need to specify the full name like with the surname like so that it will somewhat affect to. Coming to the second point, we asked him that where he was from. So he was specified his area and the locality also. Okay, like he is from Kakinada JNDK area, he has told the answer. But better to specify only the region where he is from, like maybe Rajahmundry, Visakhapatnam or Vizag, Vijayawada, like this. Better to tell in a short manner. If you specify there is no need to specify the full address. While coming to the educational qualification, because of his tension, he was not following his order. He was totally confused and he was told that SSC, degree and intermediate. We need to follow in our order from SSC to the highest degree qualification, SSC, intermediate to the degree. So this order we need to follow. And the next thing is we asked him regarding what are the technical skills you know, but he was only specifying that he know computer well. See, if you go back and watch the video, you can see that he only specified that he know about the computer. But we need to specify what are the languages. If you know a particular language like C language, C++, Java or any softwares like AutoCAD, StatPro, like that you need whether any packages, Word, Excel, PPT, like this we need to specify a particular things in a manner. And we asked him what is the necessity of this job. He just simply told an emotional thing or a personal thing that due to his financial status he need the job. So we should not specify like that any financial background or any personal things in this interviews and all. So these are the things we have observed from this small glimpse of mock interview. If you still found a few things which we have skipped to identified in this mock interview, you just comment below which you have observed. And if you still want this kind of mock interview sessions to develop yourself while attending an interview or to gain the knowledge what are the things to follow while attending an interview, just comment in the comment box. We'll do the coming sessions upon the interview. And if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. And signing off, your Sai.